morning. We're here in UP Diliman. It's the first day of our marathon training. Ko alam kung bakit ko ito ginagawa. But we're here. We're gonna do the Galloway method, which is the 3-minute run and then 1-minute walk. Let's go. 10 minutes in. It's harder than I thought actually. Yung first two, 5 and first two, 3 and 1. Okay. Yung third na parang ang tagal nung 1-minute walk. Ayun. Initial thoughts. 20 minutes in. Wala pa ring motivation. I don't know what's wrong. Hello. We're done. Didn't go exactly as planned. Hindi ko rin nasunod yung Galloway method. I went unorthodox. I just ran by fear. But I'm happy that I finished the 30 minutes. See you on the next one.